Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Solana SOL is on fire. That is what's happened. ITH finished as long anticipated transition to proof of stake Solana SOL, gaining momentum. The ninth most popular cryptocurrencies gained 3% in the past 24 hours and trades are $34 at the time of writing. On September 13, SOL prices gained over 4% to $39. It was the highest peak in the 3 weeks. Solana, prevailing uptrend, has seen its price gain 30% in the past 2 weeks. In comparison, Bitcoin and Ethereum underperformed, securing 16% and 22% gains in the same period. Once called Ethereum killer, Solana is growing, and this is what's happened. NFT boom on Solana network. Solana's network is gaining attention from the NFT community. According to CryptoSlam.io, NFT sales volume in the past 24 hours on the Solana blockchain was up 24%. Solana NFT ecosystem has grown significantly in the short period of the time. The network had just 77k mints at that start the month, but Solana NFT mints reached an all-time high of 300,000 on September 7. This is further unshaped by the rise in NFT transaction, hitting a record high of over 1 million in the same period. Notably, sales volume of NFT makers like OpenSea, Metatrader, and Magic Eden Exchange 1 million SOL 42 million according to Crypto's Compress report. Development activity on the Solana network had increased this year, with the overall number of GitHub contributors growing by 40%, while total contributors increased by 14%. Attention from institutional investors continue to bid on products that provided exposure to Solana cryptocurrencies. Earlier the month, institutional investors cut their bets on Bitcoin and Ethereum-based financial products while expanding their exports to other altcoins, including Solana. Products with Solana saw $500,000 in inflows, while products with Ripple XRP Explorer received $200,000. Helium to use Solana blockchains. Earlier, major developers behind the Helium network published a government's proposal to transition to the Solana blockchains from its original chains on August 30. Helium network enables users to become hotspots to provide Denker's wireless 5G network coverage. The Helium developers claims Solana is good fit to increase open source efficiency and scalability. Some experts predict that the Ethereum ITH merge and moving to proof of stake will not help the network apart from Solana blockchains. Solana offers and cheap transaction, which make it very attractive choice for NFT community. The increase in Solana operation looked to be unusually bright light in NFT industry, which has been expressing decreasing demand in the recent months. For example, the trade volume at the largest NFT platform, OpenSea, has dropped dramatically. Solana's network has surfaced all kinds of problems in recent months, as a congestion and stoppage, which have decreased the performance of its blockchains. While Solana is not yet on pace with Ethereum, it has recently seen whispered adoption. Solana has entered many NFTs and game developers. Low transaction and fast processing rates can explain the pattern. Despite rapid network discretion, blockchain activity has surged by 311%. The latest drive will increase Solana market prominence are started to climb the charts on the all fronts. Netherlands strong aggression on crypto amends a straightforward scheme. A 39-year-old man was arrested by Dutch police for laundering money via cryptocurrency. He accumulated the Bitcoin through the fake Ethereum wallet. The collect Bitcoins were changed to Monero using Base Exchange. The described cybercrime team arrested the 39-year-old man of the Venedal, a town in central Netherlands, for allegedly laundering money through cryptocurrency worth 10 million euros. On September 13, 2022, the Dutch police released a statement recording the arrest of the man. In the statement, the police updated the man to conceal his crime, converted stolen Bitcoin into Monero through the exchange BIX, a described Bitcoin exchange network. The police added that same Ethereum wallet by which the man amidst the digital asset helped them track him. As the man converted the bitcoins to Monero, he used a public distributor ledger with privacy enhanced technologies. Therefore, it was much more difficult for Cyberton to trace and find the transaction. As part of the investigation, the police searched the house of Icus and were successful in identifying solid evidence of his crime. The police stated that the policy investigation continues, including into the digital means of payment that the main possesses and the data carries. The expected profit that the main would have made in the money laundering the policy were able to confess in the form of cryptocurrencies. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.